It's the last time we're gonna be speaking. Cause I've decided that you're not my friend. You've done nothing but try to kill me and teach me ways that are opposite of God. So this is sort of my last letter to you.
God's earth happen, morality is the thing of the past. Everybody wanna live for the moment, but the moment won't last. Jesus, 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 Jesus.
He's radically uplifted my grace. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to take you back, way back, to the days of King David. When the Bible declared David danced before the Lord with all of his might, and even went deeper and said he danced violently. And David was a man after God's own heart. You might not be used to this, so we introduce to some and present to others. Crump, we're setting the record straight. This is a God thing.
You sound. Yeah. Oh.
Keep the boy 99 souls. But I wonder, Sparrow, can you love with that?
Give me the breast, yes, the breast, lit up, come with that. place to go. Try to drown me in something. My intention. So this is what you up to. Chasing up the game. While you bring gold, I bring souls and you think it's that easy. My death is on your mind. I was falling off, but I'll come back just to keep revenge. You can't kill what I murdered. One man in the hole, but I'll come out with 99 souls.
Hey yo, it's District 78.
Y'all don't know me.
All the promoters spin the price. Swag on infinity, I'm killing them. See the white flag from the enemy. They better replay it. I'm giving them the moves by the new brand. Together we stand. If all on y'all, ballin', call it B-ball.
There's an watch in this room,
Hey yo, it's District 78.
Welcome to the danger zone, step into the fantasy. You are not invited to the other side of space.